Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Done. So I've created a pre-hire. Now let's go and hire the worker again. So we go to hire, and we go to hire employee, and we go for WWSAM right. This is our pre-hire, and what are we going to do here is we are going to give the hire date. We are looking at the hire date of 27th. You see the hire reason. We just did that in the quiz. This hire reason is a required field, right? That was the question, true or false? Now, can you tell me, is it true or false? Hire reason is a required field. True or false? False. It is false. Right. Yes. So, and it gives you in this amber, this alert, this orange alert saying that select a hire reason, but it is not a required field. I may choose it. I may choose not to use it as well. Okay. Job profile. So let's use the EVP sales location, New York. I hope this is the correct New York. So many New Yorks. This one looks to be more accurate. Okay. So this is a New York, and if I click on submit, what will happen? Will it complete the hire, or will it do something else? Let's find out. Submit. The moment I click on submit, it says up. Next is Logan McNeil. To do what? Propose compensation hire. Right. Now you have to propose the compensation for this worker. Moment of truth. Let's go and check it out. Okay. Let's see what is happening here. So our package is added. Right. You see, okay, sorry. Our grade profile is added, not the package. So our package did not come through correctly. Why not? By compensation rule. What is happening? There are multiple compensation rules which are conflicting. So one day is not sure which compensation package to use. You see, ours is also on the list. You see W compensation package is also on the list. But there are some other more generic ones as well. So let's see, what is this rule? Okay. So somebody has created this rule, must have been very generic. So they're saying, this rule says management something employee. Sorry, this is a package tool. All countries in United States, all locations in the United States. You see, is this a very stupid rule? Sorry for using this bad word. You see, they're creating a rule which said anybody in the US is eligible for this package. They have not restricted it to their organization. And you saw that our hiring Workday is now not sure which package to use. because all of these packages are eligible. Right. So we should try to avoid creating this loose-ended or open-ended rules. We should always try to create something that is very, very specific. Okay, anyway, so I have used this compensation package now. Now tell me. You see, the grid profile is automatically selected based on my eligibility rule in the compensation grade profile, and the range is given $50,000 to $80,000 US. Right. Now I will add something in the salary. In the salary, if my package had defaulted, then my salary plan would also have defaulted. But in this case it hasn't. So I have to choose it manually. So I will choose by compensation package and rule. By compensation package and rule. So what is the option? WW salary plan. Right, you see? This is the one I created. So what is the salary I want to give here? Let's give him $85,000. Is this part of the range? Is this part of the range? No. But still, let me give it. Okay. Let's see what happens. Do they get any allowance? They should get any allowance, right? So I will go again to compensation package and rule. And yeah, I get to have a car allowance, and you see, the amount is already given. $1,200 US monthly. Right. It's done. Now I have filled up these two allowances. Let me click on Submit. It is not happy. It says, total base pay is above the pay range maximum. Is that right? And it highlights, you see, the total base pay, $85,000. This is above the limit. What is the limit? $50,000 to $80,000. So I've given something that is above or outside the range. You want to change it. Yes, you can go ahead and change the salary to something that is within the range. Let's give it as $75,000. Okay, and save it. Alright. Now, you see, now the alert is gone because now the total base pay is within the range. But it was an alert. It was not an error. So if I had clicked on Submit, it would have still gone ahead. So going back to that question, in compensation, will it allow you to enter a value outside the compensation? We said yes because compensation grade is a guideline. Here also, it says guideline. It does not say a rule. Alright. Let me click on Submit. Our worker is now hired. Let's go to the members. Sam Williams is now hired, right? Let's look at Sam Williams one more time, just to ensure that everything is correct. So we go to Compensation tab. And you see, $75,000 is his base pay, and he's going to get a total compensation. I mean another allowance. He's going to get some more allowances, right? And the car allowance is $1,200 US monthly. So the total compensation comes out to be total salary, and allowances comes out to be $89,400 annually. Understood. This is how the compensation will look like. Now, tomorrow, we will start doing security, but before that I want to hire one more worker. I mean today I will fix those other eligibility rules that people have created. I will try to get rid of them. Okay. And then I will hire one more worker so that my package defaults. My package defaults correctly. Otherwise, I mean when my package defaults, you will see my salary has defaulted. My allowances have also defaulted, and I don't have to do anything. I will just click on OK. And it will work. Okay. So that is for tomorrow.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@uptalk.com.